So right now, Instagram Reels is making people thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part about it, these are brand new people looking to start their online businesses. They started with zero following, zero business skills, and no experience. The reason why Instagram Reels or IG Reels is blowing up right now is because they are trying to compete with platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And people that adopt the new platform right now are gonna start making money very, very quickly. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys my 3-step simple framework on Instagram Reels and how you can start making money online with this brand new platform. And the best part about it is you don't have to have any products, you don't have to have any marketing experience, and you can get started as soon as today. And if you stick with me till the end of this video, I'm going to show you a bonus step on how you can use this simple 3-step framework for Instagram Reels to help you leave your 9-to-5 job. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom and one day leave your 9-to-5 job. Guys, I used to work as an electrical engineer. I absolutely hated my day job. I hated driving 2 hours from work and back and not having the time and the financial freedom. So the purpose of this channel is to teach you how you can build a business from scratch with no experience and how you can leave your job. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. All right, guys, so before I show you the simple 3-step framework that makes me 6 figures every single month, I want to show you the overall strategy first. Now, this is the same framework that allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job. Okay, basically what we're doing is we're using Instagram Reels and we're building an email base or an email list. Okay, as you can see here, we're using this platform. It's a viral platform that beginners are barely posting these super simple videos, 15 to 30-second videos, to get people to get on their email list. Now the cool part about this is once they get on my list, they go into my affiliate stacking ecosystem where I can then promote multiple offers so I can make money with over 20 to 30 plus income streams. Now I'm going to show you a little bit more later, but this is kind of the overall framework of what we're going to do. Now I do want to show you proof that I am making over 6 figures every single month. Now I'm just going to show you a few income streams here, guys. This is my ClickFunnels affiliate account. As you can see here, almost $40,000 with this one program here. This is the Bluehost affiliate program, almost $5,000 here. This is the GetResponse affiliate program. You can see here over $4,000. A lot of these programs, guys, are reoccurring monthly commissions, and that's why I want to show you how we can use Instagram Reels to build our multiple sources of income that pay us monthly every single month. Okay, now I want to show you a few more here, guys. This is a program I promoted by Spencer Mecham, over $10,000 last month with this program. Another one here that I promote, almost $1,000 here. I just want to show you a few more, guys. Here's JV Zoo. You can see over $1,400 with this program. This is my PayPal earnings for 2021 so far, almost $80,000 here. And then, guys, this is my Stripe account. As you can see, year to date, almost $600,000. And these are just some of the income streams. Now I want to go back to that graph, but first I want to show you the 3 simple steps on how you can use Instagram Reels or IG Reels to start making money online. All right, guys, so step number 1 is we have to find a killer offer. Now the cool part about this is I'm going to show you how to find an offer that you don't own but is already making a lot of money. And the reason we want to do that is because these companies are already generating tons and tons of sales, and we're just basically getting a piece of the pie. So it's really important to find a really good offer first before we start creating Instagram Reels, which I'll show you in the next steps. Let's dive into my computer. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can find a killer offer. This is the first way and probably the easiest way, not my favorite way to find an offer, but this is a great way to get started if you're not sure where. Now, this is a website called clickbank.com, and they have hundreds and hundreds of different digital products that you can partner with pretty much instantly and start selling them on Instagram Reels to start making money. Now, I'm not going to show you how to create an account, but basically go to clickbank.com, sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to go to the marketplace here at the top, okay? Now, depending on what type of products you want to sell, there's different categories, as you can see here. So I like ClickBank as a place to get started. Again, this is not my favorite place to build my business around, but this is a great place to get started if you've never done affiliate marketing, if you've never done any type of research, okay? Now, if you go inside of here, you can see there's health products, home and garden. So you can literally build your Instagram business based on any of these categories here. Now, I'm going to go to the health and fitness products here, and I can see what type of products they sell, and I can see how much they're selling for. Now, the cool thing is I can sort this by gravity, and it's going to show me the best products, okay? The higher the gravity, the more these products are selling, okay? So you can kind of see, and to get your link here, basically you just hit promote and generate link, and it's going to give you a special link, okay? This special link is what we're going to use later on when I show you how to add this to your Instagram Reels account to start making money, okay? Now, this is one place to do it. I just want to show you a few others. This is the ClickFunnels affiliate program, guys. Now, this is one of my favorite places to promote. You can see I've almost done over $40,000 in commissions with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now, I do have specific videos on how you can promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program. I'll leave some videos here, guys, so you guys can check those out. But these videos here will talk specifically on how I make money with ClickFunnels. The cool thing about this program here is they have multiple things that you can promote, okay? So as you can see, there's literally like dozens and dozens of products that you can start promoting just with this one program, okay? Now, I do want to talk about the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Program. This program just paid out over 6 figures last month to its affiliates. Now, I will tell you that this is my program here. We do have higher and low ticket commissions that you can start promoting. But as you can see here, if you go to Google and type in Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Program and click on this link here, you can apply to become an affiliate, okay? Now, one thing is this is a private offer, unlike an offer on ClickBank where they accept any affiliates. Any private offer, whether it's in the health niche or the make money online, it's going to be you have to apply. Whereas ClickBank, you can literally make an account and start promoting. That's the difference between a private offer that is more specific on who they're accepting, and then ClickBank where they'll basically accept any affiliate. Basically, guys, that's what we have to do. We have to find an offer, okay? It doesn't matter what you're promoting, find an offer that you believe in. It's got to be a killer offer that's making a lot of money, and we're basically going to build our business around it. All right, guys, so step number 2 is creating your Instagram Reels profile. So now that we found an offer, now we're going to start creating our profile. This is going to be the foundation of our Instagram account. Now, the profile is one of the most important parts of this process. This is where people are going to get to know, like, and trust you, and where you can have your affiliate links to the products you're promoting. But it's really important that you set up your profile correctly. That way people know, like, and trust you, and they know that you're in this for the value and not just because you're trying to sell them something. At the end of the day, guys, people don't want to be sold to. They want to be able to get value from somebody, and because they know, like, and trust you, they're gonna buy from you. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up your Instagram Reels account. That way you can start making money as soon as possible. All right, guys, so one of the most important things with your Instagram account is setting up your bio, okay? This is your bio right here, okay? Now, there's a few ways I want you to set this up, okay? Within these characters here, I believe it gives you 160 characters. You may have more, I'm not too sure, but basically, I want you to tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you, okay? These are the 3 questions that are vital, because when people look at your content, they're gonna go to your profile and see who are you, what you do, and why are you gonna help them, or why should they follow you, right? This is one of the most important things when creating your profile. Now, as you can see here, who am I, right? So I'm Jonathan Montoya. What do? I help you leave your 9-to-5 job with no experience, product, or tech skills, right? I show people affiliate marketing, and then I kind of talk a little bit more about who I am. I'm an ex-engineer to 6-figure affiliate marketer. And why should they follow me, right? Well, I'm going to show them how they can quit their job with my training, right? So basically, I have a very specific profile or a bio in my Instagram Reels account. It's really, really important that you set this up correctly, okay? Now, I actually have 2 Instagram Reels account because I am getting so much traffic from this platform and I'm making a lot of money, and I want to help you guys do the same thing. But as you can see here, this is kind of the same thing, right? So showing you how to escape the 9-to-5, no products or experience, and you quit your job training for free, and I show you exactly how with my affiliate link here, right? Now, this is how I want you to set this up, because once you set this up correctly, when people go and let's just say they're scrolling, they see your content, they're gonna go to your profile and they're gonna see who are you, what you do, but more importantly, this is the most important thing, is how you can help them, why they should follow you. And you have to be really specific on how you create your bio. Remember, we want to create a brand of people that know, like, and trust us. Okay guys, so the next part is how we're gonna start making money. So basically, we're gonna add our affiliate link in our Instagram account, okay? Now, to add your link, you could do this within the Instagram app, or you can do it on the web browser as well. So as you can see here, I can literally go to edit profile on my desktop computer, and I can literally just go and add my website here. Now, remember, this website is gonna be your affiliate link. This is how we're gonna make money. So if we go back to the ClickBank profile, let's just say we're creating videos on health, right? Then we're gonna have to promote basically this product here, right? So if I wanna promote that, I'm gonna generate this hop link here. This is my link. When someone clicks on that affiliate link, I get paid, right? Or they click and they buy, I'm gonna make an average of $145 per sale, okay? Now this is if you're a ClickBank affiliate, right? If you're a ClickFunnels affiliate, same thing. You wanna get your affiliate link here, or if you're a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate, you wanna apply it, get your link, you can start promoting, right? For example, this program here, it's $7 to join, and then once people upgrade, then you're gonna get 50% of the $14.97, which is the higher tier program, okay? And this is how affiliate programs work, is you get people in on a lower ticket program, it provides value for them, and then if they want to upgrade to a bigger package, they can do that. The cool thing is, as you for an affiliate, you get 50% commissions throughout the whole sales process. Now guys, I recently started posting on Instagram Reels, and I want to show you guys the growth that my accounts have been seeing. As you can see here, my views, I'm getting thousands and thousands of views. You can see here, almost 5,000 views here, almost 3,000 views here, 2,000 views here. A lot of these videos are getting a ton of views. Now I'm gonna show you how to actually use these views to make money, because a lot of people do not know how to monetize their content, whether it's Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, it doesn't really matter. People don't know how to monetize their content. So that leads me to step number 3. All right, guys, so step number 3 is we're gonna start creating content, but we're gonna start creating content that is proven and ready to start making money with this content. Now, there's 3 major things that you need to have within your content. Now, it doesn't matter if your Instagram Reels video is 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or a minute. It has to have these 3 main elements that's gonna help you get people to stop scrolling, look at your video, but more importantly, take action and to buy the products you are promoting. And these 3 steps are hook, story, offer. So your video should have some sort of hook. That's probably the most important part with your Instagram Reels video. For example, if you're selling that keto product on ClickBank and you want to get people to stop scrolling, you're going to want to have a strong hook that speaks to a specific audience. For example, do you want to be able to lose weight without dieting and still eating pizza and ice cream? All right, guys, so that was a hook if I were selling that keto product. It was a really strong headline, but without a lot of the pain, okay? So it's really important that with a hook that you have that strong grab, but also it gets people away from pain. So I mentioned, you know, how to lose weight without a lot of the pain, right? Without having to diet, without having to give up pizza, without having to give up ice cream. So that's the pain, right? I'm getting people away from the pain and closer to the pleasure, where in this case, The pleasure is losing weight. Now that's part one in the process, is the hook. And this can be anything from 3 to even 6 seconds. It's very quick, it speaks to that audience, and it gets them to stop scrolling. Part two is the story. So now we got them to stop with the hook, and now is the story element or the value. So it could be a story or it can be value, meaning it can be a story of your experiences or your testimonials, or it can be some sort of value, right? You can be teaching something. So for example, if we're going with the keto example, right? You told people that, hey, I'm going to show you how you can lose weight without, giving up ice cream. And then you show them how, right? You show them either by telling them a story on how you did it, or you show them a way that they can do it, right? You show them an actual value. Now this is the meat of your video, okay? So if your video is a minute long, right? You got your story or your hook, which is about 3 to 7 seconds. Then you got your story / value. This is gonna be the meat of your actual video. So this is gonna be about 80%. Now the last part of the hook story is the offer, okay, or the call to action. So we have the hook, we have the story or the value, and then the last part of it is the call to action, which is, in my opinion, the most important part. Now we got them to stop scrolling, we told them some value, we gave them a story, but now we want them to do something, right? Now a call to action can be anything like, hey, follow me on Instagram, comment I want to lose weight down below, go to the link in my bio and buy my product, right? Whatever that call to action is, but you have to have a call to action. Now, what I recommend doing if you're just starting out on Instagram Reels, you have no following, you're just getting started, then I recommend just telling people to follow you on Instagram, and you're gonna be coming out with more information. The reason I do that is because you wanna build that base of followers, and then once you start building up, then you can start saying, hey, go to the link in my bio and buy my products. Just a quick tip for you guys if you're just starting out and you wanna start building your business from scratch. Now guys, I wanna tell you right now that Instagram Reels is literally blowing up my business as we speak, okay? Because right now they're trying to compete with TikTok and YouTube Shorts, so they're gonna be really pushing people that are early adopters, just like how I adopted TikTok when TikTok first started, and TikTok helped me literally blow up my business overnight. So I see Instagram Reels as an amazing platform to grow your business. Not saying that TikTok is gonna go away or YouTube Shorts, but right now Instagram Reels is really pushing people to post on their platform. Now I did promise you guys I had a bonus step on how you can use the same framework to build a 6-figure business. More importantly, quit your 9-to-5 job. Let me show you real quick. Alrighty guys, this is my affiliate stacking ecosystem. If you've never heard of the affiliate stacking ecosystem, this is something that I created to help people leave their 9-to-5 jobs. I've actually had over 10,000 students go through this affiliate stacking ecosystem, and we've had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people get their first commissions, build their email list, grow their following from nothing, and using this simple framework. Now guys, basically we can take Instagram Reels, build our email list, and have multiple streams of income, okay? That's why I showed you in the beginning I had almost 30+ income streams because of this affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, if you want to learn more on how this works, guys, I have a 3-day business breakthrough challenge that's going to walk you through step by step, click by click, and show you how this affiliate stacking ecosystem works. The most important thing is I'm going to show you how to build your business for the long term. That way you can quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve that financial freedom. Now guys, if you found any value in this video, please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you're watching this for the first time. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one, and God bless.